Hi guys,
here
we're
at
at
Radway
Radway
level crossing in Cheshire with Shane, Spike, Caspin and Callow.
We're Spike, 3 stars, Callow 5 and Aspen Honey. Pretty tight. There we go. Now,
Time's 11:08, Saturday 26th September, and this is for our 11:10 one umbrella 28 from Crew London Euston.
Is that a horse?
Yes, it is a horse.
A lot lorry, but the bang.
I think so.
That's why I'm not going anywhere near the blooming horse.
It's so mate.
Hello, Nick! You can say hi, this is my route. Say it. Hi, this is High Cree. He said it. Hi, this is Aspen.
Definitely a horse.
Yes, hello, whatever is in it.
Hello, hi.
Okay, can I find your ball? Got away with it. What train system, Matthew?
London Midland, one umbrella something.
This direction. I'll wave it. I'll wave it so it beats Ballet. Don't put your fist down.
28.
And like, look, don't just do it normally. That means apply the brakes. The train, just wave it so they don't beat. Do that. It means apply the brakes. Apparently going to David anyway.
Anyways,
Where's me Dizzy?
wherever Desi is.
Well, we're twice here, by the way. Is Dizzy?
Oh, there she is.
Waving.
351.28.
351.
351.28 to London Euston.
There it goes.
Thanks, I'll see you next video.
Bye.